Hey everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and welcome to your Core Burn 5 Days to Stronger Abs mini course. In this course, we have 5 workouts of only 10 minutes each. They're all body weight and down on the mat, and they all have options to work to your fitness level. In this mini course, we're going to be connecting and stabilizing with your core, strengthening and sculpting, and getting that definition, all working from the inside out. If you've never done training for your deep core and pelvic floor and seen the results of what it does to your core strength and definition, you're gonna love this course. Our 5 workouts consist of core connection and stabilization, stabilization and strengthening, strengthening and defining, defining and sculpting, and then we finish it off with a total core burn. We'll be building as we go, so there'll be options to take it up or take it down as you need for your fitness journey and where you are today. And of course, you probably know this, but core strength and stability is not a 5-day thing only. We need it for life, and we need to train for it. Don't worry, I have options for you. This mini course is the perfect lead up to our 8-week Core 360 challenge over in the BodyFit Athletic Club. We would love to have you join us for that. We've got 8 weeks split up into 2 and 3 week blocks where we're gonna work on deep core stabilization, connecting to the pelvic floor. Then we work on strengthening and sculpting and defining your core. And again, building all of that from the inside out with options to work to your level. And then we will refine our strength and power. Within this focus group, we'll also be talking nutrition for your abs. Are abs really made in the kitchen? Let's find out. In the BodyFit Athletic Club, you have access to me, your trainer, as well as Vivian, our registered dietitian, and an incredible BodyFit community. We do weekly live streams and Q&As, so you can ask us your specific questions, and we can share more information for you related to our Core 360 focus group. Everything you need is in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions, and let's get started with your Core Burn 5 Days to Stronger Abs mini course. Are you ready? Let's do it.